I wish you could smell that. There we go.
Hello, hello, and welcome back to TGTV, and more specifically, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my garage. Today is the day the Carrera GT leaves me. We're going to have a short and sweet video today. I just thought I'd film a little video, the Carrera GT leaving me, loading it up, firing her up after a few months, well actually not a few months, about a year or so of being stationary, and get her on her way to Reading. So spin the camera around, get her unlocked, get the bollards down, and get her on the move. It has been so long. Oh, I mean, it's an absolute mess, but we're hoping she starts. We are hoping. It's been an awful long time since this thing went anywhere. Need a new battery in the smoke alarm. Good stuff. Wonderful. Got the RS here. Dump the cover on there. Here she is. Look at that. Just in a pile of rubbish, basically, in the corner. As you can see, we've had a C-Tech on it the whole time. Been on a C-Tech here the whole time, so hopefully she will fire up. Normal looking key for the GT. Nothing special. Battery's dead. Good. I'll have to unlock her manually. Let's go then. Oh!
I wish you could smell that. Undo this. Detach the charger first. Useful to have that connector, because otherwise the battery is down by the wheel arch and a nightmare. Right, revs have dropped slightly then. Probably time to get it on the move. We have got some warnings. I mean, it's been sat around for a while, so I was expecting the tyres to say they were flat. Other than that, all is well in here. Let's get her in reverse then. Feels very, very strange moving this thing after so long. Oh, it's a bit of a squeeze out there. Not the most enjoyable thing to be doing. Oh, Christ. And as with Carrera GTs, you don't give it any accelerator. You literally just do it on the clutch. No gas whatsoever. So cars here, we've got Martin. We've got the truck. There's already another car on there on its way to Reading. This is Martin. This is the Carrera GT man. And he's going to load it up. He said, how did I feel about it? And I said, not 100% sure. Me doing it. So we're going to let him do it. Here we go. He said, have a little look. See if it's close. Yeah, you good? Oh, that was close. That's very, very close. He's nailing that. So, on she comes. There is really no space there at all, but he's done this before. I'm gonna get out. Ugh. There she goes, off to Reading. He did ask me if I fancied doing that, but I thought, you know what? He's the pro. I believe that's a friend of mine's, PTS white car up there. Look at that. She's ready. She's an absolute dusty state, but she's full PPF, so we're not worried about that at all. Woof. There she goes then. Mine's off. What a bloke. Everyone loves Martin. Off to Reading, so we'll catch up with the car in Reading. Back in the garage there, you have my bag on the floor. Feels very strange only having one car in here. Carrera GT hasn't moved for about a year or so. Reading have got through about 25 of them already, a lot of friends' cars, and it was my turn. The order in which they were done was done by kind of how many miles people did in their cars, and a sort of a bit of an algorithm Reading put together. Some of the guys have already had their cars back and already taken them to Romania, but this should be back in the garage within a couple of weeks. They are absolutely flying through them at the moment. I can only apologise for the state of this place. It's been a bit of a storage unit. I've been storing the Carrera GT and a load of bits and bobs like spare exhausts and whatnot. Need to get one of those storage boxes put in. I was going to take the RS out for a drive, but I'm actually not going to bother. I need to get back to my other place, sit at my desk and get through a load of nonsense today. Short and sweet video then. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned because I'm going to be heading to Reading with the car in bits and go through exactly what they're doing, what they're replacing, and the total bill for the car, because it's been sat around. Some of the bits are being covered, and there have been some teething issues with guys returning their cars and bits and bobs needing doing. So I don't think this is the end of the story, but Porsche have been absolutely amazing. Huge thank you to them for coming and grabbing it and being so diligent with this whole debacle. It's not really on them, but they've acted with huge integrity and class. So a massive thank you to them, and stay tuned. No adverts on this video, no integrations in this video, no links to click. I'll see you all very soon. Bye.